My name is Bernadette Muriel. I have 10 years experience as an academic librarian, currently working in the DC area, formerly worked in Manhattan for 4 of those 10 years. So my title is technically the Instruction and Online Learning Librarian. I work with our School of Design programs, so fashion design, interior design, graphic media design, communications. And what I do is I design either in-person, asynchronous, or synchronous modules to support their research needs. So it's a little different in that I don't design full courses. I design modules and one-shot or two-shot sessions. I also serve as the kind of pedagogy go-to for the other 7 librarians who work in my department. So to answer our questions, that covers background. My primary responsibility, according to the surveys, I would definitely fall into the design instructional materials. I fall into the manages the efforts of faculty and others because I act as a liaison with my faculty partners. And the train faculty to leverage tech and implement pedagogy effectively because I serve essentially as the pedagogy expert go-to person on my campus for library instruction sessions. Strengths and weaknesses. So my strengths are definitely in learning and incorporating new tech in the classroom and project management. My weaknesses are coding. I have a faculty partner and he handles most of the coding, so I've kind of let that muscle lax over the last few years. And in accordance with everybody else on the survey, right, I struggle with getting faculty buy-in for my classes, for doing graded activities, for weighting certain things. It's getting better, but it's for sure still a struggle. So I'm looking forward to the class, watching other people's videos and getting to know each other through this. Thanks.